have 13 block anyways. What could go wrong? What's everyone's favorite sound? I think I'd have to go with a bassy rumble. It gives me goosebumps. Exhaust my infections, please. I'm sorry, things aren't looking good. This is hard. Please, I beg you all, help me. You're my only hope. I would like to take this time before I die to thank everyone for coming, and I'd like to give a particular shout out to Wriggler0. I died with 3 infections in my hand. And despite that, in my last moments I thought only of each and every single one of you. I'm feeling a parry or dodge build this game. Something to prove to myself. Let's go with the silent. Silencio. Filtered. Gaining a potion slot is always worth it. I really want another bag of marbles. All the paths lead to an enemy, so I want to go for the slimiest route. Enemy 1-4. How much HP do I need to win? Sorry. I realized I was just looping defend like an idiot there. I'll end turn here. I'm already blocking the planned damage and want my next turn to be as good as possible. Two, 3, 0, 0. Sorry, I can't play any cards until I discard one. Ah, the satisfying, correct chime. 14 damage incoming. Let's use weak potion and then defend. Sorry, I just realized I have no energy. How embarrassing. I love this sound effect. Sorry, I have a problem where I tend to get carried away. 1. Nice. That will be strike, strike, defend. I don't want to play defend. But maybe I should have. Okay, let's go. Find me something better to feast on than a little nidbit. I'm starving. When are we going to break out of this loop? Predator is a solid option, but I prefer something a little more AoEY at this early on. Dagger spray for me. I'd like to see my next opponent to justify my card choice, but I guess that makes Predator the best one here. Selecting Dagger Spray. It's my favorite card and I'm a little biased towards it, sorry. Dagger Spray, what a cute name for a cute card. Alright, let's see what they're going to apply to me. Would it be too much to ask for something that makes me cuter?